Hi YouTubers, today I'm gonna show you how I remove a Chevy Suburban radiator without removing the front tire. These are the tools that I'm going to use. 1/2-inch socket, 7mm nut driver, or I could use a 7mm socket, long nose vice grip, small flathead screwdriver, snap ring, going to use it as a hook. First, what I had to do was to remove the engine cover. I push the engine cover up and then pull it toward me. I'm going to remove this hose out of my way. Using the 7mm nut driver to remove this clamp, loosen this clamp. And disconnect this hose from the tube by pulling it. Wiggle the tube and pull it back, disconnect it from the air filter housing. Lift the tube up. Pull the section of the tube out. Disconnect the hose from the tube by pushing down on the hose. Remove the tube out of your way. Instead of detaching the lower hose from the bottom of the radiator, I'm gonna detach it from the thermostat housing. Because I decide to detach the lower hose from the housing, I don't need to remove the front tire to have access to the hose. Now I'm gonna remove the upper hose from the radiator. Now I'm going to detach the radiator hose from the radiator fan. I'm disconnecting the reservoir hose from the radiator. Removing the clamps so I can remove the plastic that covers the radiator. I'm disconnecting the upper heater hose from the radiator. Detaching the upper heater hose from the fan. Remove this bolt. Using 1/2-inch socket to remove 2 bolts that hold the radiator in place. I am pulling the radiator out. I have to play with it, and now the radiator is halfway out. It is completely out. Before I get rid of the radiator, I have to remove the bushings, the hose, the clamps, and move them to the new radiator. Installation of the new radiator is the reversal of the removal of the old radiator. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.